In this video, I'm going to show you how I remove the nail extensions. My natural nails are very long, so the shape is a little bit misshaped. And I like to use the tip cutter to cut it. Now, you have to be very careful, and do it kind of in a motion in and out, so you don't crack your natural nail, like any gel, which is on the top. And then you can see it also, how thick it is inside, and how thin they look ish when they at the free edge. Then we are going to use the e-file to remove any product which is on it. And I find it that filing the product off is the best way to keep the natural nails nice and healthy. When you're doing it on a client nails, make sure you jump from nail to don't produce the heat. Once you're almost at the natural nail, take the speed down. And just file the rest of the glitter. You will know when you hit the natural nail because it gives a different noise. So I'm always very slow at this stage. It actually doesn't take that long time to remove the entire set. It is definitely the better way to do it when you want to reapply the fresh set of the nails, because soaking off will also make your nails to absorb the product you are using to remove it, like say example acetone to remove the acrylics, or soak off products to remove gel. My next step is to clean any dust which is on it, and as you can see, there is still tiny bit of the gel left on this nail. So what you have to do is shape the free edge. And then just gently use the hand file to remove the remaining gel. I have been getting my nails done since 2009, so that is actually the last 15 years. And I actually find it that my natural nails have never been this strong. If I wouldn't apply any product over those nails, I would just use a buffer to gently buff them and then apply the cuticle oil. So this way you could see it, the look of my natural nails. Since I'm gonna use the nail to apply the extension over it again, I'm not gonna put any oils, but that's how my nails looks after the removal. I hope you have find this video really useful.